Hey guys! Today I'm making unicorn themed miniatures. This video was highly requested, so I hope you guys enjoy. A tote bag and some accessories to fit inside, a little frisbee, some notebooks, coloring books with working colored pencils, a tablet, cell phone, earmuffs, and a tiny little wastebasket. As always, if you guys make this craft, you can tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or my website, rainbowtinklesworld.com, and I'll totally come check it out. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. Okay guys, I start with the printable, which you can find on my website. I print on paper, add tape to the electronics, so the tablet and cell phone, attach to craft foam, and trim. Adding a sticker along the back for detail. And for the notebooks, I fold paper accordion style. The frisbee is a button, so one side is depressed in the center. Just adding a label. And for the coloring book, I score along all of the lines, then fold accordion style, and glue. And to make the colored pencils, I use a hollow Q-tip and a bead. I glue inside, paint, then insert a piece of a colored mechanical pencil. I'm just sealing the bottom with glue or paint. I add to a little chapstick lid. Then I modify my cat earmuffs, adding craft foam gems and glitter nail polish for detail. And for the trash can, just using a coffee creamer container, trimming the top, and file any rough edges. Then cut out bits of craft foam for detail. And for the tote bag, I'm just using craft foam. And you can just use hot glue, but I like the stitching effect on the sides, so I decided to sew. So just turning it inside out and sewing both edges. Before tying it off and flipping it inside out. And for the handles, I use ribbon, just adding hot glue before I cut so that it doesn't fray. Then glue inside. Then I bedazzle this felt sticker. I thought it was a bit plain, so I'm just adding nail polish for detail. I give it plenty of time to dry and attach before adding my accessories. Including my mini crayons that I made from actual crayons. And a felt unicorn backpack from a previous tutorial. I place in my closet, and guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!